Hi, this is a video on the Ulanzi V2 GoPro case. Now this case is unusual than your standard GoPro case because this case is really aimed at vloggers. You can use it if you're not vlogging, you can use it for that if you're not vlogging and you want to set up a microphone, but it's mainly aimed at the vloggers. What you get, this is what the case box looks like. That's what's written on the side of the box. And on the back of the box, it tells you how to open the back door. And the correct way, when you insert the GoPro microphone adapter, how to connect the wire to the camera, and it tells you how to connect the wire to the camera the correct way, how to twist the wire, and also the cold shoe mount which is included. So let's take it out of the box. And this is how it comes, and this is how it looks. That's how it looks. And the cold shoe mount comes off like this. Push it, put the camera towards your hand and just slightly pull, and that cold shoe mount comes off. Now there's another cold shoe mount in there, but this is just to elevate it a bit higher. Now to open the back door, you press on this button here and push. That's it. And just pull, and that door comes off. So I'll leave that off for now. And for your GoPro adapter would fit in here. So the wire end fitted in here to bring it out, and obviously you can see that the opening here is much wider than that opening, because that will stop it there. That lip here will stop it, so your wire will come out and you twist your wire to place it in here. So what I'll do is place my GoPro camera in here just to show you what it looks like. So now I'm going to place my GoPro HERO 7 in there just to show you. So the GoPro fits in this way, but just before you put it in there, I'd almost forgot myself, just before you put it in there, you have to take the door off on this side. So we slide that up and just pull the door there. See, the door comes off. So we take our GoPro HERO 7 and we slide it in that way. See, it fits in. Then we take the back door. We line that up, because if you see there's some grooves here and some grooves there. And we line that up and we slide the back door in. Till it snap. And now your GoPro looks like this in there. Now, at the moment, I cannot show you the GoPro adapter because I've ordered it and GoPro have run out of them. They've sold out of them. So I am on what they call a back order. So I have to wait when mine turns up. But you can get this, you can see by demonstrating with my two fingers here. If that's the GoPro adapter, it slides into there wireways, and then the wire will come out. The GoPro adapter will fit into this part here, and then you turn the wire like what they showed you on the back of the box here. As you can see, I'll bring it closer to the camera. As you can see, so it's not that way, it is that way. And that gets connected into the USB-C connector socket here. Now that's how your camera will look inside. Now I'll put my microphone on top just to show you what it looks like. I won't put the dead cat on there, but I'll just show you with the microphone on top. And this is the Boya microphone that I'm using, which is the Boya MM1, and I've done a review on this microphone. You'll see it up here. And then we slide that in, as you see, hot shoe, cold shoe mount, and tighten that. And tighten that down. And that's how it will look with the microphone on top. And then you've put it onto your, obviously onto whatever you need to put it onto, your GoPro, your pole, your selfie stick, tripod, whatever. You're connected up that way. Now I'll take the microphone back off and also show you the other. If I take off the extender of the cold shoe. Now if you're carrying a microphone like that one or the Rode Video Micro, well then you need the extender if you're carrying with the dead cat, because that elevates it up. But if you're not using the dead cat and you're just using the standard mic, well this does fit into here. And tighten that up. There. So if you're not using the dead cat, you don't have to use this raised piece. The raised piece is for the dead cat. If you're not using it and not using the dead cat on top or the wind muff, then you can get away with that, because even in super view this would not show up. But obviously in super view, if you don't use the, I'd say the razor, to raise it up, then your dead cat would be showing in super view. It would be showing on the top of the camera here. So what I'll do is I'll take that off. Now I'm going to switch on the camera. Right. And now the camera's on. And as you can see, you've got a nice window to see your settings here. What I'm going to do is videotape. And right, so I'm videotaping. Now if you can see there, they've even done a cutout here so you can see the red light. And at the front, you can see the red light at the front. Also, your microphone up here, if you're not using your own mic, you see there the microphone is not covered. Obviously the other microphone is covered, and the microphone here is not covered. So even if you don't use your either Rode microphone or your Boya or whatever shotgun microphone that you have got, you can still use the mic from the camera. So I'll switch this off, stop it. And switch that off. Yes, so I switched that off, and I'll take this out and I'll show you again how to take it out. And for a case, I bought this one off eBay. They do sell it on Amazon. They sell it a more dearer on Amazon than eBay. eBay, you can get it for at least a good £5 cheaper than Amazon. But it's for the price and what it does, it's a very good case. I am surprised that GoPro themselves don't make a case like this, but in saying that, if GoPro made a case like this, you can imagine how much they will sell that for, because after all, if the adapter is around £50. Well, the case itself, and I've seen just the standard skeleton case up for £24, so they would probably sell this for at least £40, probably even £50. Yes, so as you can see, it is a well-made GoPro frame, and as I said, you'll be pleased, you won't be disappointed when you have this. So I'll show you once again how to take it out. Take the back door off, pressing that button here and just pull, and that comes out, and your camera just push down on it. It's a bit tricky, but it will come out. Push down on the camera and your camera will slide out. And to replace the door back on your GoPro, as you can see, you see that kind of U shape will fit on that bar. You'll click that in, you'll hear it click there, and just push down, slide, and that's it. And that is now back on your camera. So this is my conclusion of the Ulanzi V2 GoPro frame. If you like vlogging and you've got a setup already, but it's on a what they call them aluminium frames, I know that they're quite good, but consider this. It is absolutely much better, keeps everything more neater, so you don't have to velcro this ridiculous adapter to the side or on top of the camera anymore. You can just place it in here, and if you're using a shotgun mic or shotgun mic like this, that's the setup for it. But as I says, if you're using the dead cat on there or the wind muff, the hairy wind muff, leave that adapter on there, because that will raise it up. Hopefully when my adapter comes, I'll be getting, when that adapter from GoPro comes, I'll be using that, and I'll show you, hopefully when my Rode Wireless Go comes, I'll show you it with the Rode Wireless Go, which is basically a wireless microphone, which is much better. So this is my video of the Ulanzi V2. Please do me a favor, please like and subscribe, and please leave any comments. Thank you very much.